Hi everyone, I'm back with the new SQL video. Okay, so in this SQL video we are going to discuss a Twitter SQL product based question. So यहाँ पे basically हम लोगों को histogram of tweets निकालना है. Histogram is basically counting the number of observations. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that and how we are going to achieve this particular. So if you could see in the question, we have to write a query to obtain the number of histogram of tweets posted per user in 2022. So अपन को number of tweets निकालना है per user 2022 में. Okay, and what output is being accepted here is that ट्वीट बकेट. लाइक यहाँ पे ट्वीट बकेट है. ट्वीट बकेट का मतलब है कि लेट्स सपोज देयर आर फ्यू नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स जिसने सिर्फ एक ट्वीट किया होंगे, ऐसे भी यूजर्स होंगे जिन्होंने 2 ट्वीट किए होंगे और एंड सो ऑन. सो अपन को उस ट्वीट बकेट में काउंट करना है कि ऐसे कितने यूजर्स है, हाउ मेनी यूजर्स वी हैव जो ऐसे बकेट में लाई करते हैं जिन्होंने सिर्फ एक पोस्ट किया है इन ईयर 2022 और similarly 2 post किया है in year 2022. Okay, so let's see how we are going to achieve that. Okay, so to achieve that, what we can do first, we can count the number of posts is being done by the users. Okay, so upon select, so let's see. So I'm just selecting user ID and along with that I'm just counting the number of posts is being posted by the users. Okay, so it from the tweets table where so हमें year सिर्फ 2022 के लिए चाहिए और year 2022 को extract करने के लिए we have a function in PostgreSQL that is extract year from column name. So my column name is tweet date. Okay, and similarly we have found to group these counts based on user ID. Okay, so I'm just giving the name for this particular column is tweets underscore per user. Okay, by user ID where extract. Okay, we want to put 2022. So here we have different users with their account. अब अपन क्या कर सकते हैं, we could put this particular query into the CTE tables with CTE as. Okay, and जो number of per user है, अगर मैं इसको tweet bucket बना दूँ, so let's do that. Select tweets per user as tweet bucket. Okay, comma, now we are counting the number of user. Let's suppose अगर 1 is the tweet bucket and उस tweet bucket के लिए कितने users हैं, so what we can do, we can put this tweets per user. Okay, so tweets per user, if I count that from CTE group by tweets per user, and I'm just naming this particular count as users number. Okay, if I run it, okay, so I'm getting the tweet bucket. So here you can see I have a tweet bucket. मतलब ऐसे एक पोस्ट करने वाले कितने यूजर्स हैं, so we have 2 users. 2 पोस्ट करने वाले कितने यूजर्स हैं, so we have 1 user. If I submit it, let's check. Okay, that is being accepted and this is the correct solution for this particular Twitter SQL interview question.